Okay, now in content drawer, go to level, and this is our level. So I'm going to duplicate this one, and this is going to be map for render image. Now open this level. Now I'm going to remove all of this character, and okay. Now if you have any foliage in your level, make sure you select all of them, and then in your culling you have to reset them. Same thing for all of this static mesh. Select all. Now if you set any draw distance, reset them to 0. That's all. And we have to create a 2D scene capture component. We have to select this one and make sure you put this scene capture component on 0 0 0, and then on z-axis let's set this to 5000. Press F to locate this camera. Here you can see this is our camera, and now I'm going to rotate this, not in yaw, yeah, minus 90. Now in scene capture component we need a texture. Let's create a render target. In our map system, create a new folder for texture. Texture render target. Now if I open this one, here you can see we have this image of our level. So we have to tweak something right here. So on this camera projection type, we have to set this to orthography. Now we have this orthograph view. Let's increase this size, maybe let's multiply with 8. So we have 2K resolution in our level. Okay, that's nice. Now in orthography, maybe 5000. I think 10,000. Okay, that's nice. Maybe 12,000. That's a lot. I have to set this to 12,000. This is our orthography white. In this LED section on capture component detail mode, set this to epic. Also epic. Now if I browse this texture, now here you can see we can export this as a EXR file. So I'm going to export this one as a EXR. Here you can see this is the file. So we have to open this in Photoshop. Set this to alpha channel. Here you can see we have this map right here. Now you can export this as a PNG also. So for that I think you have to do on the scene capture component, set this color type to LDR in RGB. Render format here also. RTF RGB A8. Now we can export this as a PNG. Here you can see we have this image. Also, you can import this one in Photoshop or any image editing software, but you have to adjust this color. Okay, this is our map image, and then you can export this one. Okay, now I'm going to export this as a PNG. This is going to be my map image. As you can see, this is my map image. So I'm going to remove both of this file. Also, I don't need this Photoshop anymore. Now I'm going to import this image texture right here. Now you have to store this value. So can I store this right here? Okay, now I'm going to create a new folder, and this is going to be map dimension. I'm going to copy and paste this at the beginning. Now this is our map dimension. So in our level, let's open our main map, and I'm going to remove this one. We don't need that level anymore. Okay, we can remove this texture target also.